Look at, we're having tea. How are you ladies today?
Good.
Good. What we do is we have a plate. You can each take one cookie and put it on your plate. And here's some tea for Sadie. Here's some tea.
Oh.
And here's some tea for Naomi.
Mm.
Is that good? You know what I think what we'll do? I think we'll put your tea on this
How's
plate.
the tea, Naomi?
The cookie on this plate.
Is that yummy, honey?
Does that work? Then you want a little milk in your tea? Sometimes you can put milk in your tea. Want some milk in your tea? Yes?
Mm.
Is that good? Yummy, yummy. You gotta dip your cookie in there. Look at,
Let's break your cookie
Yeah.
and then we can dip it.
look at, Naomi, this works really good.
They're a little
You
hard.
take it and you dip it. Watch. Then you eat it.
Somebody else wants a tea party.
Look at him watch. Look at him watch.
Poor guy, he left out.
We need another boy, Sarah.
Mm.
Does anybody else want tea? Does Mama want tea?
I'll have some tea.
Oh, I bet Mama's would like tea.